We're gonna do a taste test with Lilo's homemade salsa. That's right, this one right here is the peach. Papa likes peach. Connect to them on Facebook. It'll be through Facebook that I leave that link. And if you go to the Garland Farmers Market, find them. We're gonna taste test this baby. Yeah, taste test coming on. Yeah, Uncle Steve and I, we're at a barbecue contest. Yeah, and these people were next door to us. Woo!
Exciting.
Got a nice, oh yeah.
Oh, no, exciting.
Look at that. Yeah. We got a couple bowls.
You smell it?
We're gonna find out what it smells like. We're gonna find out what it tastes like. Yeah. Everybody get you a Tostito chip.
Can you get me one? I can't read. And can you get me one?
It smells really good, by the way.
Let's try this.
Up here on this camera, we're live on Instagram. So we got 2 videos going. We got Frat Daddy in the house. We got Lone Star Rider in the house. We got D.A. Berry. Here we go.
Here we go.
See, I like sweetness. He's more of the heat. I'm more of the sweet.
It's got a little kick to it, but it's got a lot of
I'll tell you what,
flavor there.
I need another bite.
Yeah, I'm about to
It
go
does
in
have a
again.
little bite to it
A
in the
little
end,
bit.
though. It's got
But-
sweetness in the beginning. It's kind of like Uncle Steve's shake on some stuff. Sweet at the beginning. It's got a little bite.
I like it.
You don't.
It's very
don't?
nice. I'd like to take this and set some, like a pork. Let it set overnight and then cook it.
That's not a bad idea.
Salsa.
Ever had
If
sweet
you want some of this, they're out of Saxe Wiley area. They're at the farmer's market over there in Garland. I'll leave the link to them below.
You don't like it?
They have a Facebook page. You can check them out. I'm not really into the heat, but this stuff right here, you get the sweetness come into it, and you got a little bit of heat on it, and Papa can take it. Tom can even take it. I bet you. I would say so. Right, Booger? It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Check out their link down below. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya.